Did you know staying loyal to your company for a decade could cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars? Here's the part nobody tells you. Most companies' budget raises at 3 to 5% a year, but the job market grows at 10 to 15%. So every single year you stay, the gap between your salary and what you're actually worth quietly gets bigger and bigger and bigger. The system isn't broken. It's working exactly as designed. HR teams know the math. They're betting that most people feel too comfortable, too loyal, or too nervous to leave. And statistically, they're right. The only tool the system built to fix this gap is a competing job offer. That's it. Loyalty has no mechanism. A rival company's offer does. Here's the real shock. Someone who switches jobs twice in 10 years will often out-earn a loyal employee by 40 to 60% in total lifetime income. Not slightly more, dramatically more. The choice that feels virtuous is often the one costing you the most. That's not a coincidence. That's the structure.